do you think? How's that thing work?
Pretty good. I'm impressed.
Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to take an up-close look at the YerYork 4000 PSI electric pressure washer. We all know when we're pressure washing and we haven't done it for the year, time for spring cleaning, we bring the old gas power pressure washer out, start cranking on it, start pulling out on it, and the carburetors are all messed up. And that's where an electric pressure washer comes in real handy. Right? It can sit for a while. It is electric, you plug it in and it just works. If you have a small property, a small home, and you just have some sidewalks you need to pressure wash, this is where an electric pressure washer comes in. So YerYork sent me this to bring you a close look. We're gonna try this out. I'm gonna end up giving it to my kid, right? She just moved into a house and she doesn't need to be dealing with the gas-powered pressure washer. We'll pull this out of the box, get everything unpackaged, show you what comes in the box. We're gonna put it together. We're gonna test it out for you. Let's take a look. Everything that comes in the package laid out. We're gonna have to assemble this. Looks like it's gonna be real easy. We have the user manual. Follow the instructions. Comes with all the screws and hardware. One thing about this little electric pressure washer, and I've had a few of them, is this actually has a hose reel. I think that's gonna be real handy. That's one of the biggest problems with the pressure washer is wrapping up the hose. 35-foot high pressure hose, nice long high pressure hose. We have tons of electrical cord. We have our wand. We have a soap cannon. Looks like a wand holder. We have our handle, a couple of brackets, and we have our nozzles. So we're gonna go ahead and put this thing together, bring it outside, and try it out. One of the greatest features of this is most of your electric pressure washers do not have this hose reel. So when we're ready to use this, we just pull the entire hose out, we hook it to the wand, we pressure wash. When we're done, we disconnect it from the hose, put it on the reel, and roll the whole hose up on the reel. So everything is together. Even our soap cannon is attached to the unit. We don't have any extra parts laying around. We don't have to search for things. Everything is self-contained. I was looking online on these, 5-star rating. 92% of the ratings are 5 stars on this unit. So that tells you the quality of it. Let's go ahead and go outside, use it, pressure wash the sidewalk. We're ready here, so all we have to do is unlock the handle. We're gonna pull all that hose out. Everything's just self-contained. We're gonna grab our wand, plug our wand in. All right, now we can turn the water on, and we'll turn the unit on. We have 4 separate nozzles, 15, 25, 40, and 0. Let's go ahead, we'll try the 15-degree angle nozzle. We'll just plug that nozzle in. Snaps right into place. If you look here, we have a minimum, maximum setting on this. It's a dial setting. So we have minimum and we can turn the pressure up to maximum or right there in the middle. Let's turn it on max and we'll go ahead and turn the unit on. Nice. You can start pressure washing now. Adjustable nozzle. That's actually a really powerful, quiet pressure washer. I can see why it has 5-star rating. Let's try it on minimum and just see what the difference is on that pressure. Still got plenty of pressure at minimum, but it is pretty good still. Turn it back up on high. We'll change the nozzles here. Let's go with a 0 degree. Super powerful. How far away we are. Let's go to our 40 degree. Let's use the soap wand, see how that works. So really convenient. The soap wand is attached right to the unit. We don't have to worry about going and hunting it or losing it. We'll put that wand in place. Push, twist, soap wand's ready. Wow, super effective. Nice wide spray pattern. That's the YerYork Electric Pressure Washer. Everything self-contained, 4,000 PSI, 2.5 gallon per minute. We got 4 nozzles and the soap wand, the hose reel, awesome benefit. We have the cord reel, everything self-contained. No wonder it's a 5-star rating product. So if you check the links down below, this is available. I earn a small commission. If I make a sale through those links, doesn't cost you a dime. It helps support the channel. So from Stonebroke Adventure, until next time, bloop.